Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Yes, so people, big up on yourself, man. Don't know the thing going on, don't know what's a NEWLINK there, and my people giving thanks to life as usual, you understand? Yeah, man, big up. Well, people, right about now, I tell us how I'm feeling now, people. Yo, honestly, I don't even know how to express myself in that one, yeah. You understand? Because I now go easy, you know, people. I go hard in that one, yeah, you know. You know what I mean? Because you have some little idiot man at Jamaica now, you know, people. Some little fool, you know. You understand? Some little wasteness, you know. You know what I mean? Because now, people, you know what I mean? From Monday, you know, I say something I go on with the news, you could use what them say missing. You understand? I look at 8-year-old youth from in Kingston with them say missing. And them say them have him stepfather as a suspect in the missing case. Well, people, news I reach NEWLINK now. So yesterday, them find the youth body. Yeah, I can't believe people look at 8-year-old boy body. You know what I mean? Yes. And now people, them have it now. And full proof say, is the stepfather who do it? You know what I mean? The worthless stepdaddy. Because news I reach NEWLINK so now people saying the stepfather did and the little boy, the mother, they live together. But she decides to separate from them people because be beat the little boy mother, be beat up on them something they want to dirty man people. You know them dirty man something they want to remain very good talk about. Yo, attack boy, straight attack for your boy, hear that boy, where there? Carry yourself in now boy, me watching him when the people them catch a MOB, you see, mob him. Yo, Mr. People, so news I reach NEWLINK now say, yeah, the mother, run out the boy, get rid of from the boy. You know what I mean? The boy mash up everything in the mother house, the people. Them say TV, everything, furniture, the boy damage everything. The cruel boy. So the little boy must see, the mother must stay somewhere stay, you know, because she not stay at the house now, people. You know what I mean? Because she not trust certain things and things. The little boy, they are, I'm father. And the thing said that now, this dirty stepdaddy now, people, because you don't know, say, a stepdaddy, so at least maybe he used to do, take care of in certain way, people. So, him comes to boom, now one guy in the yard and see the little boy, people. And it is said that now, he promised the little youth ice cream. You know what I mean? A little boy, 8-year-old, he promised him ice cream, people. And dry him away. Him dry away the little boy and the people, dry him away, manage to dry him away with the ice cream. And that from Monday. And them can't find the little youth from Monday, people, him do that. Them can't find this little boy. And Thursday now, them stumble up on this little youth body. Dirty stepdaddy now, people. Zin, them don't know where to find him. Police are look for him. Everybody are look for him. Because the people, them want to catch him and MOBE him. Them can't find him. Eh? And NEWLINK has now, people. Them are all money. Them don't need no chance in society. Honestly, people. Eh? They don't need no chance in society. Cruel people like them, waste man. You understand? Because he give him no right people. You get me? Him and mother in a something. Zin, which friend he went and go mash up the people, you woman furniture. Him wrong. And him go take the woman look a boy now. You know what I mean? And go do that to him. And boy him the par run. Eh? Boy him the par run. That's why I'm saying now. Woman, listen. You love on life? Eh? You love on life? You love on life? Think about it. You love on life? Eh? Because in this now, you there that man, you might beat you every day. And you are going to sit and take the beating. Right? Until you see where later. You could have dead too, you know, woman. Right now, you could have dead too. And see that the boy out the same way. Eh? You look a boy and take out. Eh? You look a boy and take out. Because maybe you know the weird about where the mother is. So at the little boy, you know where you say little boy there and daddy, and you know daddy yard. And you know so you can circle through that little past there. And go circle the little boy, because you know the little boy out the door must see I go play. And see the people. It's a wicked boy. Eh? Wicked nigga. But me tell you, see the Jah sees and he knows everything. Attack NEWLINK on them. Straight attack. Eh? Where we not here say go on a Jamaica people. From the year start 20, still in a January, you know. And so much things can happen in a one look month year just begun. All type of things that here say go on. Eh? The year just start. My world, my precious NEWLINK. Eh? Attack come like it too good for them sitting here now, people. Eh? And when people catch him, them I go talk about carry him to jail, lock him up. Yo, me say, wanna catch him on the door? Wanna do what? Okay. Because they not cheer them, you know. And they not rope them, you know, when they carry them up there, you know. You understand? So we as the people, we are the what? M-O-B-E-M. No joke thing. So don't know the thing of the people. Enough love enough. Enough respect people. You hurt me. But now.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK.